Welcome to the Online and Accelerated Learning Readiness course. You will see the basic layout of the course homepage, with the content browser in the left-hand side, a new section in the center, and learning terms on the right-hand side. This is the typical layout of most of the online courses you'll encounter at Benedictine. To get started, click on the content browser link in the upper left-hand corner. You will see a table of contents on the left-hand side. And when you click on one of the modules under the table of contents, those items will display in the center of the screen. Click on an item to view its content. When you're ready to go back to the table of contents, you can click the table of contents link in the breadcrumbs at the top of the page. Click on the second module, we'll see those contents displayed in the center of the page, and so on. Click the title of the course at the top to return to the home page.